the instant poha. It is just adding boiling water or even warm water. If it is for warm water, it takes little more longer. If it is boiling water, quick and fast. So let's begin. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj, showing you to make instant meal. I'm going to fry 1 cup of poha. I want poha to become warm, and by then it would puff a bit more. Now it is really warm and I can pour it to the bowl. In the same pan, I am going to dry roast some til. This is puffed up. Again, I am going to pour into the bowl back. And I am going to roast few red chillies with just 2 drops of oil. The chillies are also ready. Now I have few ingredients which I need to crush. The dry grated coconut, the roasted sesame, til, and the red chillies which were fried, and some tamarind, salt to taste, and a spoon of jaggery. Now the powder is ready. It's time to season the poha. I'm going to take in 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot. I'm going to add in mustard. When it's crackling, I'm going to add in Urad dal and Channa dal and some peanuts. Now I am going to add in the curry leaves. I want the curry leaves to get roasted completely so that there is no moisture in that. Now it is roasted. I'll switch off the flame, then add poha, the roasted ones. Along with it, I'm going to add in the powder which I crushed it. And give a nice mix. After this is cooled, we can pack that in some container or some Ziploc cars and store it for a couple of days. For 1 measure of this mixture, 1 measure of hot water or boiling water is required to soak it. I am going to put it in a bowl. I'm going to pour in hot water, 1 bowl, 1 measuring cup of water, and check. Yes, this is perfectly fine and it is soaked completely. I will close this and keep for some time for water to absorb. After soaking for half an hour, the poha will look like this and it tastes yummy too.